Standing by is number 17, Peter, born and raised right here, Mogaborone.
Me and all my friends were all misunderstood. They say we stand for nothing and there's no way we ever could. Now we see everything that's going wrong with the world and those who lead it. It just seems like we don't have the means to rise above and beat it. So we keep waiting, waiting on the world to change. Yes, we keep waiting, waiting on the world to change. It's hard to beat the system when you're standing in the distance. So let's keep waiting, waiting on the world to change. Now if you had the power to bring your neighbors home from war, they would have never missed a Christmas, no more ribbons on the door. Now if you trust your television, what you get is what you got. 'Cause when they own the information, no, they change it all they want. That's why we're waiting, waiting on the world to change. Yes, we keep waiting, waiting on the world to change. It's not that we don't care, we just know the life ain't fair. Waiting, waiting on the world to change.
You're amazing, you are wonderful, you're such...
Thank you.
Beautiful, Peter, beautiful.
The songs that you choose, your energy in the songs, keep it that way.
Peter, you have a brilliant voice.
Thank you.
And yes, you will go a long way, and not just in this competition.